Welcome to the world of autism. I'm so sorry. These bad words came out of my mouth because I can't do that. It's a no-no. I should know better. I know better, Mom. But
I told you to wait when I said okay.
I know it's okay, but I'm sorry. I know I was the best guy, but I can't flip off. No. I should know better, too. This is no-no. That's a no-no. Yeah, that's a no-no. Yeah, that's right. That's a no-no. No.
So much for eating.
I love eating because it makes me cheering up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna cry. I'm the big boy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Can you tell them what happened today?
I did swear it already because those bad words came out of my mouth earlier. Because every day, every night. Because I have a worse nightmares.
Okay, so I put that one sauce.
Those swearing stuck in my head.
What's it called?
Give myself a heart attack.
The egg roll sauce on this.
It was. That name just came.
I don't know if I like it or not.
What's up, my friends? I'm sorry.
What's up, my friends?
Fruity to the booty. That's what I said.
No, it's foodie for the booty.
Hey, where is it? Did you write it?
Like what?
Write down like this one.
On your calendar?
When's Saval's wedding?
No, we can't talk about that online.
No, I can't listen to your conversation.
No, yeah, you can't listen to my conversation.
I was wrong.
What happened at the mall?
I lose my headsets on purpose. Because I did that. It's my
Dodie
fault.
said, aloha.
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 Aloha. Oh, I almost when we said aloha before.
Oh, they did? At the fireside? That's cool,
I
huh?
want to go to the family reunion.
And Mookie said, talofa from San Diego, Eddie.
Talofa.
Yeah.
Talofa.
He lost his headset today.
Yeah.
He left it in,
And I came home
where did you leave it?
at the mall.
At where?
At the bathroom.
Yeah.
On purpose.
No, it was
No.
an accident.
Accident.
We're still
Dang it.
learning
Accident.
which one is accident and
Sorry,
which one is on
sorry.
purpose.
It's not your fault.
But if you wonder what
It's my fault.
I'm eating the most weirdest food. Okay. So look, I had boiled eggs inside the refrigerator that I haven't eaten. Burrito. Look at that. With rice. Anything with rice. And then I put that one sauce,
I didn't shave.
don't tell him that.
I'm so sorry.
This kid. He's not having a good day because he lost his earphones
I
today.
have a bad day.
You had a bad day? You got food on your nose. Your nose was hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what happened to our little trip we went to Bath and Body and we didn't know he forgot his. So having autism, so I got to hear it. This happened at 7 this evening, and he's been going on it about it. And I keep telling him it's okay to be quiet, but yeah.
It's okay to be quiet. I am. What she said?
Yeah, so you know those they're not burritos, but these are the chimichangas from Costco, and they're pretty good. I always like them with the fried egg, but I need to eat these other eggs. I don't know if I'm gonna. But masarap. Edison. Yeah, so tough. Busy. So our daughter is having her wedding reception. I think it's the last Friday of the month? Maybe not. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 23, 24, 25. Oh no, it's not. So, if you're planning a wedding reception or a wedding, it's a lot of work. So, yeah. And then on top of that, we do part 3 of our project. See, look, I don't have shelves in the back. My famous shelves are gone. I had to move it to the living room because, look at this. We are doing the floor. So that's why we hardly come on here. We've been doing a lot of projects, but it's a lot of work. I just remember, oh my gosh. I don't know if anybody is planning a wedding. I remember the first wedding I helped plan was my sister, 1989. In Cali, we were living in Cali. I just remember, like the week before, we still didn't find flower girl dresses. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. And then we were driving by. I was going to work. And I passed by, or we were going to LA, the swap meet. So we went and got all those flower girl dresses. And lucky thing, we found all her flower girl dresses there. We don't have swap meet in Utah. Well, we do, but I don't know. My daughter, she's very, very simple. She's really, really simple person. So the poor girl, she, of course, was gonna have her wedding reception in a different place. But that place is limited. So we're moving it to our chapel, the culture hall at what we call the Stake Center, for my non-LDS friends. They don't charge for anything. It's free to have the reception there. The other place, it costs. But she lost her deposit. But we wanted everybody to come. We were going to do the other place because of COVID. But, yeah. Only get married once. But she's really, really simple. I'm going to share something about my daughter. My daughter doesn't talk back. She doesn't. She never yelled back at me or anything. So.
She just yelled at me.
She just yells at her. So she's not nice to you. She doesn't yell at mommy, but she yells at you, huh? Mm-hmm. That was a long time ago, Edison.
I'm so sorry, Cherry. I was only trying to help. Hey, don't call the cops at me. I was
Yeah. Oi, manguia fa ficar. Manguia foi la fiafi. Yeah. I know. I love rice. I think if I gave up rice and Coca-Cola, I wouldn't have to take metformin anymore. But I love rice. Rice is good for you. And that was Sunny D. My one son loves Sunny D. Time I tell him to go get a drink, he always gets this one. This is from another autistic son of mine, Enzyme. You see? He loves this kind. But me, it's Coca-Cola from McDonald's. And I think I put too much. I should have just taken the 1A. Bye. Look me eye. See? Look at that. Good. Can you see? So back to our wedding plans. So we're planning on inviting about 300 people. That's the total that we're. And I'll share some of the photos from the wedding. I don't know if I'll be able to do live on here. I'll do live on I don't know. You might all want to watch the wedding. But yeah, she has two best friends from school. They've been in school since 8th grade, so they're gonna be in the wedding line. And then my niece from Wyoming. She's always been close to that niece. My niece is only.
He'll count. It needs.
I think she's 16. My daughter's 22. They're so weird.
Oh, everybody is.
Hello. Talofa. Anchorage, Talofa, Taumaoe. How's Alaska? Did you guys get your snow? Because I know Wyoming got theirs 2 weeks ago, I think. And my brother told me that was snowing in Wyoming. But that sounds about right. We usually get snow in November. We're in Salt Lake. Well, I'm in West Valley, but nobody knows where West Valley is. So I just tell everybody I'm in Salt Lake. And the weather, I think it was 64 today. It was a little cool. Because my kids had to wear sweaters. But yeah. And it's, what is it? It's a little chilly at night. So the heater, we've turned on the heater at night. It's going to be the third night tonight. If I can get to the one window that I open. Because I got so much stuff on in the living room right now. I mean, this is a lot of work. Trying to repair your own house is a lot of work, you guys. A lot. And we don't even have those kind of skills, to know. So I think we're doing everything backward. Because at first I was going to do the cabinets. But I need to do the floor. Because the floor. And then, yeah. I'm going to have to. The cabinet's going to have to wait until next year. I try to do it when we can open the windows. But lucky thing, the paints they use nowadays, it doesn't smell as bad as like 10 years ago.
So.
But I think what we're going to do is we're going to rip the carpet. That's another project that we have to do. Rip the carpet and have somebody else come install the new carpet. Because I'm cheap that way. Yeah, I don't know if anybody up on here is cheap. I am. I think I really did put too much. Oh, and I got to throw this all away. Dang it. Edison! I know everything's unhooked. I just noticed that our one microwave is not working right. Well, I think it gave up the ghost. We've had it for 10 years, so yes, that's okay. So, yeah, we're just having a wedding and really soon, having a wedding reception. My daughter ended up getting married in February. And by February, gosh, I can't believe that. February in Utah, only 10 people could get together. So it was just his family and us, just the immediate family. And then, yeah. Are you guys still having restrictions? Mask mandate? We don't have any in Utah. I don't know if there's any mask. I don't watch TV, so I don't know what's on the news.
Well, sorry, folks. Your son.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah, you was already. I don't know, but I must have ran into something.
Sorry.
This guy barely left my arm.
Oh, my babies. My baby monsters. I love you. I'm your dad. Talk to your dad.
I don't know if you can hear Edison in the background.
Talk to your dad.
Edison. Good. He makes me laugh. Pahinga gisong ni. Yeah. Boiled eggs, I have to eat it. I don't have to eat it, but it's in the refrigerator. I think I'm going to use the other ones to make egg sandwich. Tea. It's so nice if my walls didn't have those shelves. Eventually we're going to move the shelves out. Because it sure makes the kitchen look big. And that's Edison stuff. He has it all over our house. I keep telling him to stop taping stuff up. But once I refurbish the doors or fix the doors, all that stuff is coming off. He is not gonna be happy. But I'm gonna get him oh, that's a good idea. I do have. I think I'm gonna put it in his room so he can put all his artwork on it. Because he's always looking for tape. Oh my gosh, that kid. Yeah. Okay. That was a... No, I'm going to waste that food. Okay. Sunny day is good, especially when you're really, really thirsty for something sweet. Okay, I want to show you my mess. My beautiful mess that's on my counter. See, that's what happens when you have to move everything. Because of see, look at the floor. We got the stuff we need to put on the floor, but I've been buffing it So, yep, gotta fix that. Like, I know it was more than 10 years ago that we had it done, but I didn't want to get tile because Edison falls a lot and tile is gonna hurt him. But I'm so tempted to, just because they last longer. But I got vinyl, and it's that sticky stuff. That's what we had before. And it is never ending. And we still have, I still have 2 rooms that we need to fix that flooded. We just ripped out the walls, the carpet, so it needs to be done. My depressing stories, huh? Yep. And then I found this. Okay, found this already. Don't tell. It's a Minnesota driver's license. I don't know, I'm just covering the numbers. But this is from Minnesota. But look at Eddie's picture. Nice afro. I found it downstairs. I was going through, just cleaning out. What was this? Where did he live? Maple Grove. I don't know where that is in Minnesota. And it says, it says Eddie Wolfgram. Same person. See, it says Eddie Wolfgram on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. It's cool. So cool. This was expired 89. Dang it, licenses are so different now. These look like those it looks like the whatchamacallit? Those grocery cards. I don't know if you guys remember those. Do they still have them? I don't know. But yeah. So Edison, did you want to sing a song? Well, folks. Oh, he's coming. Are you going to sing a song?
Stay With Me from 5 Stars.
Oh, you're going to sing the same song?
Let's sing it.
Edison's going to sing you the same song. Did you get it down, though?
Yeah.
What is up with this? You ate too much. Stop eating those pretzels.
I love pretzels.
Yeah, stop eating them. You're supposed to only take 2 little packages, not the whole bag.
I got 2 packages. Sure I do. Come on, Mom. I'm so sorry. I won't do it again.
So what song are you going to sing?
Okay.
Let's move this.
I like to say, stay with me for every month. Walk with me beside the sea. Stay with me and talk to me forever, love. Let me stay. Stay with me for every month. Every love?
I have no idea.
Every month? Yeah, whatever. Walk with me beside the sea.
You can't say whatever when you sing it at
So
your
sorry.
sister's wedding.
I'm so sorry. Don't say whatever at sister's wedding, you said. Stay with me and talk to me forever, love. Let me stay. My love. Is that really real? Real, yes. That you and I just stay together ever, love. Stay with me for every Love, walk with me beside the sea. Stay with me and talk to me forever. Love, forevermore, let me stay.
Well, you got
Forevermore, let me stay. Forevermore, let me stay. Thank you. I don't want to say whatever at my sister's wedding. I'm so sorry.
say good night.
Good night.